Hello and welcome to our Dolly Advent collaboration. I'll be opening a surprise gift each day in the lead up to Christmas from either Jay of J Dolls UK, Marna of Dolls Rescued, or Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. Please check out their channels today too, as they'll be opening up a surprise gift, and it could be from me. Their links are in the description. Hi there. Today is day
19
of our Advent Dolly collaboration. So let's have a look at what surprise gift I'll be opening today. Okay, I have something from Marna at Dolls Rescued. Let's see what's inside. Oh wow. Very, very practical gift, very colourful and cute, Marna. A whole packet full of lovely bright coloured buttons in a couple, maybe 2 or 3 different sizes. Oh, that's fantastic. You can never have enough buttons when you're making doll clothes. They vanish surprisingly quickly. That's fantastic. Oh, lovely colours in there. I will definitely be making use of these very soon. Oh, that's brilliant. I wonder, are they 3D printed or are they not? It's hard to tell. They're very well made if they are 3D printed. So I'll perhaps say thank you, Darren, as well, if this is your handiwork. Oh, that's brilliant. Thank you very much, Marna, and thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and let me know what you thought of today's lovely gift. Take care, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye!